Good morning to one and all. This is DLN Sai Jishnu. I am from IARE College, studying CSC Data Science in IARE College. Today, I'm gonna explain you about very interesting subject C, and it is very useful in our daily life for our career purpose. Subject is programming for problem solving using C. Statement. This is the question for the program. A string is said to be using a strong language if it contains at least k consecutive characters. Star. You are given a string with length n. Determine whether it uses strong language or not. We have to determine the whether the string is strong language or not. Input. The first line of the input contains a single integer tt denoting the number of test cases. The description of tt test cases follows. The first line of each test case contain two space separated integer nn and kk. The second line contains a single string s with length nn. This is the input we have to give to the output will be it is a strong language or not, whether we have to determine it. We know that C is a very powerful language in a programming language. Without C, Python, Java, the program languages are worth not up to the mark. So we need to learn the C language. C language is better to our career for in software to develop as software engineer. Next slide. Output. Print a single line containing the string yes if the string contains strong language, or no if it does not, without quotes. Print a single line containing the string yes if the string contains strong language, or no s if the output will be s if the string contains strong language, or else no if does not. You may print each character of each string in uppercase or lowercase. For example, the strings yes, s, s, and s will be as treated as identical. Do you got my point? It is a simple program which gives us the output as is if it contains string, or contains strong language, or else no. That's we have to write as a program. Next slide. Constraints. The data constraints means nothing but the data which we have to analyze the question, the given data. 1 greater than or equals to t greater than or equals to 10. S contains only lowercase English letters and characters. Sum of n overall test cases is almost 10 to the power of 6. These are the constraints for this program. Subtasks. N greater than or 10 power 4, sum of n overall all test cases is almost 10 power 4. Subtask hashtag 270 points, original constraints. Sample 1. Input we have to give 3, 5, 2, star A, star into B, star A, 5, 2, star A, star double star B, 5, 1, A, B, C, D, E. Output. Now S, no. This will be as the outputs and inputs we have to give to this question. Explanation. Explanation is very important in programming language. While the code we execute is to be explained very well, or else the listener and the other person couldn't understand the program you have written. Explanation case 1. Since there are no two consecutive character stars, the string does not contain strong language. The means in input we have gave one star, it is not a strong language. Input we have given 2 stars, then it is considered as strong language. Example 2. There are two adjacent characters star, so the string contains strong language. Example 3. In the last slide we discussed about 3 examples. First is A star, B star, A star. Like that, there are 3 examples in the previous slide. Since there are no characters in star in the string does not contain strong language. In 3 examples, there are 3 different types of string stars that have been given to the program, but it executes first and third as not a strong language. It gives us the output as first of the and third as not a strong language, and second one is a strong language because it has two asterisks. 2 asterisks is considered as a strong language in this question. This is a program. This is the program we have. Uh, Whether it gives the output of S or no. First, hashed include studio.h identifiers. These are the very header files for any program in C. Int main void. Void function uses to does not when we use void function we don't have to use return function. That is the main cause of void. Int t scanf percentile d and t, while t minus minus long int k comma n asterisk uh, semicolon scanf percentile d and n and k character s n plus 1 Long int sum to 0 max equals to 0 scanf percentile s comma s. For long int I is equals to 0 asterisk I greater than I less than and I plus plus if si is equals to asterisk s plus plus if si is not equals to asterisk if max less than sum max is equal to sum is equals to 0. This is the code for if max less than a max is equals to the printer scan return 0. This is the code to get that output for the given inputs. Inputs we as we discussed in the previous slide. Inputs 352 ash a ash b ash 51 a b c d e output no as no because the second one only have the stars asterisks double time. In first and third example there is no asterisk and first example have one asterisk but it is not considered as a strong language. Only double asterisk is considered as strong language. So the output is no, yes, and no. These are the outputs we get for the given question. Thank you. These are the outputs we get for the above question. Yeah, these are the outputs we get. The given inputs are 352 hash a hash b hash 52 star a star b 51 abc ed and the output we get is no as no. For the given question, no is are the outputs we have to get, and those output match the output we get. So all the test cases in the program are satisfied. The code is very simple. Don't as it is long, but it is very simple. We need to first first we need to initialize the variable b and scan that, and we have to initialize sum and max. If sum is equals to asterisk sum plus plus, and these are the codes we get. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Hope you guys like my video.